Hey, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring in more business for you. I'm at your website right now, and I've copied your URL and I've put it into a third-party scanner to check your main heading tags. Now, the heading tags are what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. The tags are made up of the title tag, the metadata tag, and your H1 and H2 tags. Now, your title tag looks good, but your metadata tag is too short. We can help you there. You have, unfortunately, too many H1 header tags, and your H2 header tags are good, though. So there are a couple things wrong. I don't know about you, but I usually look at the first 3 companies on page 1 of Google, and I get bids for them. And let's see how your website is ranking on Google right now. So I use another third-party tracker for this. It's called SERPtrack.io. You can get a free 30-day subscription to this and check out how your website's doing every day. So I put your URL in here, and we're looking at Bakersfield because that's where you're buying your pay-per-clicks. That I saw that. That's one of the reasons I reached out to you, because unfortunately, you're not even ranking in the top 100 for Bakersfield Fencing Company, Bakersfield Fencing Contractor, or Bakersfield Fence Repair. You're spending money in Bakersfield, but you're not ranking. Now, we can help you with this. We can get you to page 1 of the Google search for Bakersfield Fencing Contractors. It's what we do. That's why I'm reaching out to you. If you can use more business, please respond to this email or give me a call. Again, my name is Mike Brady. My phone number is 559-691-0320. Thank you very much.